Help you find a freaking awesome key cutting machines manufacturer with sales increasing 5 times every year. This company is Hunan Kukai Electromechanical Company. This is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the research and development, production, and sales of key cutting machines. Our key cutting machines are designed to support the preparation of various types of keys. Whether you need to duplicate a key or create a new one from scratch, our machines are equipped with the latest technology to meet your requirements. In addition, our products can also duplicate keys by using a database, making it convenient for individuals who have lost their keys and need replacements. Next, let me use SCX key cutting machine as an example to let everyone know more about our machine. Click search input HAN66 and select 1341 to enter the key data page. Fix the original key on the automobile jaw, if shown in the figure. This is tip-align key. Please make sure the key tip to reach the top line of the jaw. Otherwise, it will affect the decoding and cutting accuracy. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings. Then click Decode to decoding. After decoding is done, please fix a new key blank on the automobile jaw, shown in the figure. The key tip should reach the top line of the jaw, and the cutter should be a 2.0 mm cutter. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings. Then click Cut to start cutting. After cutting is done, please clean the shavings on the jaw. Otherwise it will affect the cutting accuracy. Then fix the other side of the key blank on the automobile jaw, off shown in the figure. The key tip should reach the top line of the jaw. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings. Then click Cut to start cutting the other side. All cutting is done. Please clean the shavings and test the new key works well. In conclusion, at Hunan Kukai Electromechanical Company, we are passionate about delivering cutting-edge solutions for key cutting needs. Whether you are a professional locksmith or an automotive enthusiast, you can rely on our key cutting machines to meet your demands for precision, efficiency, and reliability.
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform